Dear students, today I am going to teach you one question related to quadratic equation of word problem. The question is like this. You can see here in white letters here. The area of rectangular room is 45 square meter. If the length had been 3 meter less and the breadth had been 1 meter more, it would be a square. Find the length and breadth of the room. This is the question. So now here we are asked to find the length and breadth of the room. So we can consider like this. Let the length and the breadth of the room be L and B respectively. We can consider like this. Now if length and breadth is like this L and B, then we have given that the area is 45 square meter. So here it is given that area is equals to 45 square meter. So since area is 45 square meter, area means length and length times breadth. L times B is equals to 45. So this is equation 1 we can write like this. Okay. Now the second part of the question is, if the length had been 3 meter less and the breadth had been 1 meter more. So we can write here new length. We can write the new length as L1 is equals to, if length had been 3 meter less. So 3 meter less means initially it was L and now 3 meter less, so minus 3 we can do. Similarly, breadth is 1 meter more. So new breadth again. New breadth. We can say this is B1 is equals to, initially it was B and now 1 meter more. It has been increased by 1 meter. So B plus 1 we can do. Now according to question we can see that it would be a square. It is mentioned that it will be a square. So according to question, this it would be a square means in a square length and breadth will be equal. That's why L1 is equals to B1 we can write. So L1 here is L minus 3. L minus 3 is equals to B1 is B plus 1. We can write like this. So if it is so, then we can do in this way. L means therefore we can write L is equals to B plus 4. Because 3 if you transpose to the right side it will be 4. No? Equation 2 we can do. Now we can substitute the value of L in equation 1 to get the value of B. So putting, you can write substituting also, putting the value of L in equation 1. So we get, if you put, then you will get like this. L means B plus 4. B plus 4 times B is equals to 45. Okay, now we can solve this one. B square plus 4B. So the 45 is transposed to the left side, it will be minus 45 is equals to 0. Now we can factorize this one. So if you factorize this one, you will get like this, see, or B square, this 4 we can break like this way. B minus 45 is equal to 0. Now here product is 45 and difference is 4. So 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we can break in the 9 minus 5. 4 can be break into 9 minus 5. Okay. Or B square plus 9B minus 5B minus 45 is equal to 0. So or we can take B common, B plus 9 and another minus 5 common, so again B plus 9 will come. Sorry, this is 9. Okay, is equals to 0. or b plus 9 we can take common. B plus 9 is common, remaining will be b minus 5. This is equals to 0. Now we can do either b plus 9 is equals to 0, therefore the value of b is minus 9. Similarly, or we can do b minus 5 is equals to 0, therefore the value of b is 5. Okay, but since this L and B they are length and breadth, so we can just write down that length and breadth cannot be negative. So we can write here, since the length and breadth can't be negative, b is equals to minus 9 is rejected. We can reject this one. So therefore breadth of room b is equals to 5 meter. We can write like this way. Okay, and again therefore L length of room L is equals to we have already got here in equation 2. Look at here, if you see equation 2, you can see here, see L equals to b plus 4 is there, see. So we can substitute the value. So L equal to b plus 4 means here we can put here b plus 4, that is 5 plus 4 we can do. So this is equals to 9 meter. So in this way we can find length and breadth of the room. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you.